Alright guys, here we go. Bag I. We're still on plastic parts 3. So it looks like we get to select a driver head. So yeah, you've got 3 to choose from. So you've got like this motocross style, then you've got the skull, and then you've got, I don't know, this looks like a helmet that you would be on like a total crotch rocket motorcycle on. Helmet with a visor. Digging this motocross helmet. Real simple, there's bag I. Alright, so you paint the base, put the head on, put some decals on. And we did that real quick. We did a quick job on this guy. There he is. Maybe a little bit too much white, but I don't really, this is all I had laying around. And you're not going to see much of him, I don't think. Then step 44. Nope. Step 43. You drop him in. Once he's dropped in step 44, you put the roll cage on top, this part here. Alright, back in step 27, they had us put the ESC in the receiver. I did not do that. I waited until now. So we should go ahead and get the soldering iron on and get a Dean's connector onto this ESC. Get it all wired up, turn it on. Hopefully it all works good. And then we can finish off the build. Alright, we got the Dean's connector soldered. Alright, let's get the receiver box open and put that receiver in there. Alright, servos channel 1, channel 2. Cool. Here's the fan unit. Let's put that up here. Alright, so we should probably turn it on. We're not going to turn it on because we have to put the motor wires into the ESC. Alright, so everything's here. All the electronics are here. It's not tight yet, so the ESC is just sitting there, the receiver is just sitting there, but it's all plugged in. So let's cross our fingers that everything goes good. Plug her in. Steering seems fine. All right. And it's going in the right direction. That's cool. Thumbs up on that. All right, all the electronics are in. Pretty straightforward. And I think it's pretty clean, so I'm pretty stoked on this. We'll mount it on this plastic somehow here, and then when that goes on there like that, the switch will be here and that'll be easy enough. Alright, we got the driver figure in, so let's put the top of the roll cage on. It's like you almost don't need instructions now. We'll go ahead and screw that in. Step 45, we put those little side guards on. Alright, open bag J. And still says plastic bag 3. So yeah, tires and wheels on. Right, there's bag J, and as you can see, there's a missing, that's not it over here, a missing set screw, but luckily we have an extra one. Alright, here are those J Concept Rangers and the tire tread. It's going this way, so I want to make sure our rims are going in like this. Wheels glued up. Alright, here we have just about a finished monster truck. Pretty stoked on how it's coming out.